When it comes to miles and points travel, a lot of it is based off of award availability or award space. So this video is a quick explainer on what award availability is and some tips on how you can find more award space or award availability. My name is Max and I help you maximize your credit card points, airline miles, and hotel points. If you like more content like this, remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below. So let's get into it. Award availability or award space simply means the seats that are bookable with miles and points. Not all seats on a plane are bookable with miles and points. Take, for example, a business class cabin has 20 seats. Not all 20 seats will be bookable with miles and points. An airline might just release one, might release two, sometimes might release four, but usually they release about 2 seats that are bookable with miles and points, which also means award availability or award space. These 2 seats you can use your miles and points to book, and then once those are booked, the other 18 seats might not be bookable with miles and points at all. But the caveat is that some airlines actually let you book the other 18 seats. The 2 seats they originally released for award availability might be called Saver Awards or Saver Award Space. Those 2 seats are the cheapest and they might cost you, say, 70,000 points. And once those are gone, the other 18 seats are bookable. They might cost more points. They might cost 140,000 points. So your goal is actually to find award space, but also find that Saver Award Space, because you know that Saver Award Space is the best deal and requires the fewest amount of points to book those seats. As I mentioned earlier, the number of seats that an airline releases for award availability or Saver Awards really depends on the airline. Some airlines release 1 seat, some airlines release 2 seats, some release 4, and I've seen up to 6 seats available. But on the flip side, there's also airlines that hardly release any award space too. So it really depends on the airline and when you're booking. So speaking of when you're booking, there's 2 main sweet spots when it comes to finding award availability. This is not a guarantee every single time, but at least these 2 sweet spots give you the best chance to find award availability. So sweet spot number 1 is 9 to 12 months in advance of your travel. This means that if today is here, then you're booking your award tickets 9 to 12 months in advance. This 9 to 12 months in advance window is when some airlines consistently release award seats that you can book with miles and points. It's based on a consistent schedule that some airlines follow when they release award seats. It's not always the case and it's not always 100% guaranteed, but at least it will give you the best chance to find that award availability or that award space. The second sweet spot is a very last minute booking. I know this might not work for a lot of people because sometimes these bookings have to happen within 2 weeks of departure, sometimes 3, sometimes 4 weeks into departure. And so that means it's a extremely last minute booking. And you have to be pretty flexible with your travel dates. Some airlines might have vacant seats that they would rather have filled with miles and points payers rather than going out empty. So they'll open up the award space or the award availability so that those seats can be filled with people redeeming their miles and points, like you and me. Again, this is not guaranteed and it's really based off of how full the flight is and whether the airline decides to release award seats or not. And the last thing to note is that finding award space or award availability for economy is way easier than finding award space or award availability for business class cabins, because business class cabins only have so many seats, whereas economy has hundreds of seats. Whereas business class, they try to keep it a little more exclusive because they do charge a lot of money, thousands of dollars for business class seats. And they don't want all the entire cabin to be booked with miles and points. And so they want to make some money with some cash bookings on business class seats. So that's why they don't release more business class seats. So I hope that helps explain award availability a little bit more. So it makes a little more sense when people in the miles and points game are talking about finding award space or award availability. Comment below if you have any questions. And remember, if you want more miles and points tips like this, remember to hit the like and subscribe button down below.